Where's the Adams Road?
Jack and Jill's Aunt Mary lives 10 yards away from their home. And after spending the night at their Aunt Mary's, they leave the bus stop. They walk the same rate from their house, 4 yards for every 3 seconds. The graph shows the original line that we just graphed. And it doesn't ask us, but it tells us you should graph this scenario. So if they're at their Aunt Mary's house, which is 10 yards away, they start at 10 yards. And so then for every 3 yards, so the way the graph is, it's 1, 2, 3, they travel 4 yards away from their house. So then you're going to go up 4 over 3, which is really like that. Now if you sketch the graph, what you're going to see is this would be from Aunt Mary's house. So this is from home. If you were to graph it, this is from home. And this is from Aunt Mary's house if you were to graph it. Because they start off 10 yards away from home. And here they start off at home. So it says compare the two. How do the slopes compare? Well, the slopes are the same. And it says, what about the starting points? Different. Mary lives, sounds like she's their neighbor, 10 yards away. Okay, so it's a different starting point. In other words, when we plot leaving Aunt Mary's house, we're here. Okay, so it says then let's graph the line to represent the walk from the bus stop to Aunt Mary's house. That's this one. On a piece of patty paper, trace the line. So we're going to take our patty paper again. And they want me to trace this line and then hold it up to Aunt Mary. So if I trace this line and hold it up to Aunt Mary, guess what happens? Boop. Same exact one, right? Okay. So it says, be sure to include the triangle representing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this triangle. This is showing them walking from home. And then if I hold it up to Aunt Mary, the triangle pretty much is the same, right? So then it says, translate the line to represent their walk from Aunt Mary's and then transfer it onto the graph. So I basically did that using algebra. And then 3A says, analyze the translated line. Does your new line represent a proportional or non-proportional relationship? So then the question is this new line proportional? Is this a new line? Is it proportional? The answer is yes. There you go, time to go.